Let's learn how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. If you want to enable sensitive content but don't know how, you don't need to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. This process is the same for both Android and iPhone devices. The first thing you need to do is open a web browser, as you cannot enable sensitive content in the Telegram app itself. Once you have opened your web browser, type in Telegram Web. When you do this, a page will open where you need to click on the first link. After clicking on it, a page will open where you need to enter your country and phone number. Once you enter this information, you will receive a code in the Telegram app. You can find this code by going to the app and entering the chat with Telegram, where you will see the code in the message they sent you. Now return to the browser and enter that code. After entering the code, a page with all your chats will open. On this page, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines located in the top left corner of the screen. When you click on this, a menu with several options will appear, and you need to click on the Settings option. After clicking on this, a page with more options will open. On this page, scroll down a bit and click on the Privacy and Security option. When you click on this, a page with many options will open, and you need to scroll all the way down. Once you have scrolled down, you will see the Sensitive Content section with one option. You need to enable this option, and once you do, you will be able to see sensitive content. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.